Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. From this article, you will discover how scientists are building super smart computers inspired by the human brain and learn about some exciting possibilities for the future. Let's get started. Ever wonder how your brain manages to juggle a million tasks at once? Turns out, scientists are taking inspiration from these brain-bending feats to build super smart computers, and they've hit a major milestone. This might sound like science fiction, but researchers at Northwestern University, Boston College, and MIT have taken a giant leap toward making it a reality. They've created a brain-like transistor, a tiny chip that processes information in a way similar to the human brain. So, how does this brain-mimicking magic work? Unlike traditional transistors that simply switch on and off, this one has a special sauce called a memristor. The memristor acts like a little memory bank, storing information based on the electrical current flowing through. The cool part is this transistor can learn. Just like you get better at recognizing patterns the more you see them, the brain-like transistor strengthens its connections based on repeated electrical signals. This means it can remember what it's seen before and use that information to make better decisions in the future. But why is this such a big deal? Well, current computers are like giant calculators, good at crunching numbers but not so great at the flexible thinking we humans do so well. This brain-like transistor could change that. So, what does this mean for the future? Let's explore some exciting possibilities. Supercharged learning. Imagine machines that can learn from experience just like humans. Robots that can navigate complex environments, AI assistants that understand your needs better, and even personalized educational tools that adapt to your learning style. Energy-efficient brains. These new transistors could pave the way for computers that are just as smart but with a fraction of the power consumption. This could lead to smaller, more portable devices and even eco-friendly computing solutions. Beyond human intelligence, these transistors fascinate questions about the future of artificial intelligence and the nature of consciousness itself. Of course, this technology is still in its early stages. It's like a baby brain learning its first steps, but the potential is mind-blowing. This brain-like transistor could pave the way for a future where computers are not just tools, but partners in innovation and discovery. It's a reminder that even the smallest spark of inspiration can lead to giant leaps in technology. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned how scientists are building super smart computers inspired by the human brain. Scientists have created a brain-like transistor that processes information, learns, and adapts to changes quickly. This will open doors to machines that learn from experience, use less energy, and will be beyond human intelligence. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to BrainFeed TV, our YouTube channel.